Hey guys, so here we are with the 370 Sapphire Scientific. I'll show you how it works, but I'm gonna just show you right now. It's set up. This is a 90-gallon waste tank. It's set up here to be installed in a truck, but we just tested it to make sure everything's good. The machine comes with hoses. It comes with this, actually that wand. A lot of hardware comes with it too. It's a really nice wand. It's actually a titanium wand, I believe. Really lightweight. And anyway, I'm just gonna show you how we turn it on. Just the beauty of this thing. Alfredo, can you turn that on for me, please? You turn it on, you can pull out the choke the first time in the day, but after the first job, you don't need to pull that out. And I'm going to show you some of the features here now that it's off. This is the chemical meter. It's a last step injection and injects the water into the water as it's leaving. This is your pressure gauge. This is your vacuum gauge. This is your heat. This gets up to 230. The hour meter. That's your pressure pump. That's your waste pump out, which is optional. This is your throttle, your choke. This is where you started. This is where all your fuses are to protect it. This right here is where the water comes out from. This is where the water goes in from. This is your pressure regulator that controls your pressure gauge. This is a bypass valve. What it does, it opens up the hot water into the vacuum and it goes into the tank when you need to cool it down. This is where you lubricate your blower. It has a Tri-Lobe blower on it, and that's this right here. So basically Tri-Lobe meaning it has 3 lobes instead of 2, which gives you more vacuum. This is where the water gets sucked into dirty water, and then it goes from this hose into the waste tank. Goes into the waste tank, the water drops in the waste tank, and then the air comes out of here and it goes in through the blower, and then it comes out of the exhaust down here at the bottom. This is basically hot air. It has a Kohler motor on it. Nice, reliable, proven. That's pretty much it. Really nice machine. Show you the pressure pump. It's a general pump, high temp. Heat exchanger. Another heat exchanger is the blower exhaust heat exchanger. So it's taking the hot air from the blower and going in through there. Also using that to help heat. Yeah, really nice.